Man, I'm trying to do this, fool. I'm trying to get signed before school start again, fool. I ain't trying to be a normal person, fool. Come on, man. Dang, fool. Trying my hardest at this stuff, fool. Dang. Come on. Yeah. Anybody gonna tell me how to do something? Yeah, right. Give me a crash, you bless you sorry little creep, alright. So ready for fame, man. You might as well see me again, man. Because this ain't changed, man. You already know what I mean and what I'm speaking. You don't know how many talks it takes to peeking. I ain't never gonna look, but I'ma read in my history book. It's fine, these people, they ain't shook up. But they can look up and see another skylight. They can see another highlight reel. You ain't even gonna chill, but you know the deal. What's up? I ain't never seen nobody see so patiently. You already know who is up in there waiting for me. So, what's up, Weezy? Please sign me, man. I ain't even trying to bet, but I'm just trying to be a grinded time. But they don't know my rhymes, but they ain't seen the signs. So I'm just trying to be famous and rich, and these people wanna cry. They wanna whine, talking about you ain't ready yet. Well, I'm ready for anything, and I can take it on like a bet. You ain't never gonna strength. You ain't never gonna know me, man. So what's the game plan? You can already tell me what it is. Cause ain't nobody gonna be so real and say chill. Cause I already know the deal of the fame thing. You already know what the frame is, man. Wanna be discovered like Justin Bieber. You can find me on the YouTube Center. This ain't even a rap style like clap styles. I'm rapping a New York beats and these people wanna go out wild, but they just want less B and they just want more heat. And I give them to the sheets cause they ain't even gotta read. I ain't gon' be writing my stuff on freestyling for now on. And these people can't tell me what to do cause I'm not on the beat, the track, and I act like I'm whack, but I'll take it out like slack. This is an outburst on the act. I'm an actress, so you can see that. These people won't be there, but they can already need that, and I can already see that, and I can already be that. If these people want more lyrics, then I give it to them too. Then you already know you ain't even famous at all. So what you trying to be? Somebody that be playing basketball, but you on the yard. You trying to be something that can't be hard, but you just wanna be a bodyguard. Security, you don't know that, huh? I got the Kodak camera just to show you dudes that I already know that. But I ain't even trying to show it off. I'm trying to pull it off, get the drink, and then I gotta show it off. Man, I'm like so, like every day these people care about anything that I already play. Check me out on YouTube, that's what I tell you. And I ain't going to jail so somebody can bail you. Man, I'm going out, man, I'm showing out. They ain't even trying to know me, cause Darius is about to be in an aquarium or aquarium. They ain't even trying to be scaring him. I'm daring him to try me, buy me. This ain't even sign me. So why these people trying to come in here and cry me? Trying to dime me out on my dollar bill. I ain't even making a meal yet. I'm trying to get the seal pet. Ain't trying to put out bootleg mistake before I get signed. I'm trying to do something already. Man, you see I'm trying to rhyme. Man, I'm trying to shine. You see that, huh? What's up? Come on, man. Be there, man. You ain't seeing that, man. You ain't even inspired. So why you trying to be, dude, getting wires? Trying to get tired. Trying to be a drug dealer, man. That ain't what I'm trying to be. He's trying to see me in the future, but I won't let it happen. And these people here, they fans clapping. They ain't even messing, so I got to test them. They ain't even Sacramento, so I'm a Sacramento like I've been told. And he pay hotel, they ain't even got well. Money isn't my fail. I got a bail out of jail. Don't let it get to my head. I already know. So what is this going scared for? Wanna be bad? Call you scared of a fear? You better work it out because I'm already standing here. I'm ready for the interview. Ready for the interview. You ain't even trying to work. So what is you doing, fool? Shit. Scatter Darius.